I'll show you that how you can create your business profile now. You go on this work area and then you go on create a company page. Now it will ask you, what do you want to start with? I say I want to start with a small business. To give a page identity, I say Lumina AI chatbot. Now you see your preview is also being shown here, that how your industry will look like, how your page will look like in the right hand side. What is the company URL? You say Lumina AI chatbot. You can change it anytime if you want. You give the website URL. You say AI chatbot. I'm just giving a random name of the website that does not exist. Okay. Company details. I say that we deal in computer hardware or network. And then you say 2 to 10 employees are there. Select the company type. I say just a public company. And then I upload a logo. I upload the logo. So I have uploaded the logo of Tickbox. This is the logo, different from the name of the company, but then it's okay. You have to just manage with it. And now I give here a tagline. Now remember the importance of a tagline. Your tagline, if it is attractive, then people remember you more by your tagline than your company name. So my tagline is crafting digital transformation, DGTL innovation. Okay. The other tagline is enriching digital information or digital marketing, your digital presence. So these are the taglines that you can use so that the company stands out and people remember your tagline better. So we help businesses. I'm just writing a random tagline. You can create your own. We help businesses to get an AI chatbot. I verify that I'm authorized and then I create the page. Perfect. I go forward and upload a cover photograph. So already I have told you why a cover photograph is important. So you can probably use this cover photograph where I say grow your business with us. Say save. So this is the page that I have created. A lot of it. You can add a description here. You can add the location and then you can start with your first post. This is how you will create your business profile on LinkedIn. Now I'll quickly show you my company's LinkedIn page and the admin view I'm showing you. How does the admin view look like? You can get the analytics that how many unique visitors have come, how many have followed it, how many post impressions have been done, and how many custom button clicks are there. So these are all organic. Okay, I have not used a promoted platform. No, I have just used the organic way of promoting. I just put the post here, and this is after every post you see the stats to show you the impressions. 53 impressions. 53 impressions to reaction, 129% click through. So these are the analytics part that you are able to see through the admin profile. It makes sense to be active on LinkedIn, on your digital, for your profiles, so that you can cater to any new things that is coming. So here I have done a post for COVID-19 stress. Why? Because this gives an information that you are active on LinkedIn or you are active on your LinkedIn profile. And when whoever is active, the people feel more close to them and they feel like connecting with you. This is a call to action button. Okay. Now what you want exactly the viewers to do when they come on your LinkedIn profile, what do you want them to do? To visit a website or to sign up for something, to register you, to learn more, or to contact us. So all these details, you can make the changes accordingly. If I say contact us, then this is it. This is the changes that you get. And this is the button preview that you're showing. From here, you can change the basic information of your company, use page logo or the name or the tagline. Here I'm using Crafting Digital Innovation, which I just told you. The button, which you can change. The overview, which you can write. Make sure you have 2000 big place to write here. So you can give a good description about your company. Give your good URL here. Give the industry, the company type, the phone number, and your founder. Here comes the important part, the hashtags. These are the hashtags by which you will be searched. What do you mean by a hashtag? These are the things by which you can go viral on internet. By this hashtag, I will be known. So anybody searches for hashtag digital marketing, then I will be visible. My company will be visible. So anywhere there is a hashtag digital marketing, anywhere on a post, and anybody clicks on that hashtag. So all the content related, or all the content that has hashtag digital marketing, will be visible in that view. Do I make sense? I'll just repeat what hashtags help us with. So someday if I make a post on, say, LinkedIn marketing, and I say hashtag digital marketing, so I'm putting a hashtag of digital marketing, hashtag LinkedIn marketing. So now anybody, any person comes and click on that digital marketing hashtag, then what will happen? All the places, all the posts, all the companies which are having that hashtag digital marketing in their in their content or in their company name, these hashtags, they will be present in front of you. It is not like a simple search, it's a advanced search, wherein by just click on a keyword, you get the details about it. Or you get any person on LinkedIn who has made a post by using hashtag digital. Great. This is what I was looking for, and this is what I was showing you. Any featured groups? So we have just created few, and we are part of some few. Any language that you'll use? We use English. This is my page, and what are the new? You can invite connection, you can sponsor an update, you can post a job. This is another important thing why people want to have their career page on LinkedIn, because you can create a post directly from here. You can create an event, you can create a showcase page. So other than your main company, you want to create some other section of it. Say for example, my company, Digital Innovation, we have further sections into it. Digital Innovation is the main for enterprise, Digital Works is for SMEs, and Digital Bytes is for the training platform. So if I want to create, I can create a showcase page here for Digital Bytes. You can manage admins, you can add as many admins you want from here, and you can do them. So we are done with two big things. One, creating a profile on LinkedIn. Second, creating a business page on LinkedIn and looking at the analytics of it. This is the analytics part. How many people have come to view my page? What all they do? Business development, they're doing information technology. This is the updates analytics. This is the followers analytics. That's all for today. I hope you like my session. Subscribe my channel to get updates on the latest videos.